AMD has officially revealed the final packaging of their highly anticipated Ryzen Threadripper CPU family. The packaging was revealed by AMD's Lisa Su, and to be honest, it's the most attractive packaging for a processor we have seen to date. So welcome back my dear friends. Today we are going to peek into AMD's upcoming processor Ryzen Threadripper. So without further ado, let's learn together. AMD officially unveils packaging for Ryzen Threadripper HEDT X399 CPUs. It's no doubt that Intel have been caught with their hands behind their backs by AMD. They had disrupted the mainstream desktop market and are soon going to do the same with the high-end desktop segment. While Intel is offering their own Core X family on the X299 HEDT platform, AMD will be offering their on the X399 HEDT platform. Intel may have chips with up to 18 cores arriving in a few months, but AMD is delivering very competitively priced products which are suggested to be as efficient as the mainstream parts. At their Twitter feed, AMD's CEO Lisa Su unveiled the official packaging of the Ryzen Threadripper CPU family. It's gorgeous and look unlike anything we have seen before. The chip comes in a large box-shaped container with curved edges. It seems to be made of a strong alloy material and has either a plastic or glass cover on the front, which is engraved with a Ryzen Threadripper label and logo. The chip can be seen through the mirror, and just like the mainstream processors, each Ryzen tier CPU will have the naming printed in clear back on the IHS, which looks amazing. AMD Ryzen Threadripper will be most affordable and very fast alternative compared to Intel's Core X HEDT family, and we can't wait to learn more about it during SIGGRAPH 2017. AMD will also be launching Ryzen Threadripper CPUs in retail on 10th of August. So be sure to set that date on your calendars if you are looking forward to purchase one. There are reports from the Far East that AMD will have limited quantities of Ryzen Threadripper chips at launch, so you will have to be fast to book one for purchase on launch day. The AMD Ryzen Threadripper 1950X is the flagship chip of the Threadripper X399 family. The chip features 16 cores, 32 threads. Clocks are maintained at 3.4 GHz base, 4 GHz boost, and the XFR technology should help it gain. The chip will carry 32 MB of L3 cache and 8 MB of L2 cache, which totals 40 MB. There will be a total of 64 PCIe lanes available on the processor, of which 60 can be used by discrete graphics cards and PCIe NVMe storage devices. The chip will cost around 64,000 Indian rupees or 999 US dollars when launched. So that's all for today. What is your opinion on AMD Ryzen Threadripper? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you like this episode, please hit the like button, and if you want more stuff from us every day, hit the subscribe button below. A million thanks to our subscribers and continuous supporters who inspire us to make videos every day just for you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to get high in life.